how to download and install TikTok app. Hey guys, welcome back to our tutorial. In this video, we will talk about this short tutorial. Basically, these methods can work for both of your Android and iOS devices. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and open up your app downloader. For iOS devices, it is going to be the App Store, and from Android, it will be the Google Play Store. So in my case, I'll just go ahead and search for Play Store right here. And once inside, you specifically want to go ahead and search for TikTok. The App Store and Google Play Store should go ahead and look similar. And from here, you want to go ahead and click on TikTok. From here, you then want to go ahead and click on the install button. And from there, it will now go ahead and download and install the application to your devices. And so, if this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.